Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Salesforce org to VS Code. First, ensure you have Visual Studio Code and the Salesforce CLI installed on your system. Next, open VS Code and navigate to the Extensions view to install the Salesforce extension pack. This pack provides essential tools for Salesforce development. Finally, use the command palette to create a new Salesforce DX project, which sets up your local development environment. Now let's authorize your Salesforce org. Open the command palette in VS Code and search for SFDX, authorize an org. You'll be prompted to select a login URL, like a production or sandbox environment. After selecting, a browser window will open for you to log into your Salesforce org. Once authenticated, provide a memorable alias for your org. This alias simplifies future commands and helps manage multiple connections efficiently. With your org connected, you can now work with its metadata. To pull components from Salesforce, use the SFDX, retrieve source from org command. Conversely, to push your local changes to the org, select SFDX, deploy source to org. For continuous development, leverage source tracking, which automatically keeps your local project and org in sync. This feature is incredibly powerful for managing changes and collaborating with a team. If you encounter issues, first verify your Salesforce CLI is updated to the latest version. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable and your Salesforce org is accessible. For best practices, always work within a Salesforce DX project and use version control. Remember to regularly pull and push changes to avoid conflicts. And hey, for more great tips and other deals, check the description below this video. You'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.